Okay, so this video is going to explain like why the fuse is always connected in the live wire. In fact, all the safety devices such as your circuit breakers, your switch, your fuse will be connected to the live wire, in the live wire. Okay, now let's take a look at what happens, because a lot of students think that if I connect my fuse in a neutral wire, why not, right? So let's say if there's an electrical fault and the fuse wire melts and opens the circuit. Well, the circuit is still open, right? Once the circuit is open, no current will flow. Wouldn't the kettle be safe and the user is also safe? So, but can you see something from this diagram? As you can see from here, the kettle is still in contact or in connection or connected to the high voltage. So if the person touches the inside of the kettle, he or she might get a nasty shock. Okay, the voltage is the one that can be very dangerous. So whenever you walk outside or places, you will always see danger sign that says high voltage. We have not really seen danger high current, right? Because high voltage, if the voltage is high, and if you actually touch something of a high voltage, there's a chance that a current can flow through you and you get a nasty electric shock. So therefore, we always protect ourselves from high voltage. Now that you can see the three wires, the live wire is 240 volt, the neutral wire is 0 volt, and the earth wire is 0 volt. So naturally, we want to protect the user and also the appliance from a high voltage should any fault occurs. So therefore, if you have the fuse inside the live wire, and if an electrical fault happens and the fuse wire melts, not only will the circuit be open, it will also disconnect, as you can see, the kettle from the live wire. So it's disconnected, and the person, even if it touches the insides of the kettle, he or she will not get any shock. Now, so if this comes out as an exam question, the whole idea is that if an electrical fault occurs and the fuse wire melts, it will disconnect the appliance and the user from high voltage, which is at the live wire. Okay, so basically, that's why we connect the fuse or any safety devices, switch or like circuit breakers in the live wire, because we need to protect ourselves from the dangerous high voltage. Make sense?